Hi class, today we are going to be learning all about animals. We are going to be learning the difference between fish, insects, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals. There are so many different animals all over the world. Actually, there's 8.7 million different types of animals on Earth. So now we have to ask, what makes all of these animals different from one another? The first type of animals we're going to learn about are aquatic animals. Aquatic means water. These animals live in lakes, oceans, rivers, and ponds. So what makes a fish a fish? Fish are cold-blooded animals, which is different from humans because we have warm blood. The water helps keeps their blood cold. Another difference is fish use gills to breathe. Humans breathe in air. Fish can breathe in the water. Only fish have gills. What do fish eat? Some fish eat water plants like seaweed, algae, small bugs, and other tiny organisms. Most fish eat other fish to survive. Big fish eat the little fish, like sharks or whales. They eat small fish. Have you ever had a fish as a pet? A lot of people have a pet fish at home. We have a pet fish in our classroom. Pet fish eat fish food from the grocery store. Next, we're going to be talking about bugs. The real name for bugs is insects. Think of all the bugs that you've ever seen. There's so many. There's over 1 million different kinds of insects. Some have wings, others don't have wings. So, what makes an insect an insect? Insects have 6 legs. However, spiders have 8 legs, so really, they aren't considered insects. Another cool thing about insects is that they have no bones. Instead, they have a hard shell. Insects also have 2 antennas, and all insects lay eggs. When you go back to the home page, you can click on the video and watch a video about how caterpillars turns into a butterfly. So you can go back to this after this is over. Next, we're going to talk about reptiles. Reptiles are different from all other animals because they have scales. Reptiles you have probably heard of include snakes, turtles, or alligators. So what makes a reptile reptile? Reptiles all have scales, and they are also cold-blooded like fish. They lay eggs, and they can live in the water and on land. Some people have snakes or turtles or lizards as pets at home. Next, we're going to talk about amphibians. Amphibians are very, very similar to reptiles, but they're different because when they hatch from their eggs, they have gills. So they can breathe underwater like the fish, but their bodies change and grow up and they grow lungs and legs. So there will be another video about the life cycle of a frog that you will watch after this presentation is over. Amphibians include tree frogs, toads, salamanders, American bullfrogs. A lot of people have frogs as pets. Now we're going to talk about birds. Everyone has seen a bird, but what makes a bird a bird? All birds have feathers and all birds lay eggs. Did you know that not all birds can fly? Birds like penguins cannot fly. Ostriches are 9 feet tall, and a hummingbird can fly backwards but cannot walk. Do you recognize any of these birds? Now we're going to talk about mammals. There are so many mammals on Earth. Us humans are considered mammals as well. Some live in ocean, but only like the dolphin, and some live on land. Mammals are special because they can give live birth. All of our other animal friends lay eggs. Mammals have very good brains and are very smart. Mammals have teeth. Dogs and cats are mammals, but so are tigers and monkeys. Here are some more mammals. There's a bunch of mammals all over the world. Next, we're going to be learning about how all of these animals work together in the food chain. Remember to go back and watch the 2 videos, and then you can move on to the next page, which includes the food chain.